Hello everyone, my name is Louis G. Bernabe from BECS second year. Today, I want to talk briefly about a critical issue in Philippine governance today. Corruption. It remains a major obstacle to progress and undermines public trust in the government. Corruption has been a persistent problem in the Philippines, affecting government's agency, public service, and political institution. From bribery to embezzlement, it diverts resources that could improve the lives of ordinary Filipinos. My own opinion, and the Philippine Constitutional, particularly Article 2, Section 27, demand that the state maintain honesty and integrity in public service and take effective measures against corruption. Yet, despite existing law agencies like Ombudsman and COA, corruptions continue to strive, often without accountability. Then, a current example is the PhilHealth scandal. It's a prime example of this issue, where billions of pesos meant for healthcare were misused. This erodes the trust of citizens in the very institution meant to serve them. Suggestion for myself: to address this, we need to stronger enforcement of anti-corruption law and more transparency. The right to inform law should be passed to ensure government action. Publicity accessible. Citizens can play an active role by voting for leaders who prioritize integrity, reporting corruption practice, and demanding accountability from public officials. The fight against corruption requires not just government action but public participation. By staying informed and engaged, we can help build a government that truly serves its people. Thank you. Bye.